I just want to mention, I know that I have like these like little like flyaways. It's not breakage, it is regrowth. So don't judge my little antennas that are like sticking out all over the place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Nellie and I am just getting started on YouTube. Today I want to talk about something that I am very, very passionate about, and that is hair. Okay, so I wasn't always passionate about hair because if I was, then I never would have gotten in the situation to the point where my hair was so bad that I needed to do a complete overhaul on it. And, you know, I never would be talking to you lovely people about this. So over the last few years, my hair had sustained a ton of damage. I really mistreated it. I never used heat protectant. The amount of times I did balayage, like to the ends of my hair, so many times. Breakage, split ends, dry, straw-like feel. You name it, I had it. So around the end of 2019, I wanted to, make some changes and kind of change the health and feel of my hair. I felt like I was trapped in like this endless cycle where like right after like washing my hair like would feel okay and it would be soft because I just conditioned it. I don't wash my hair every day. Like I'd really try hard not to because, like that's like supposedly bad for your hair, right? And so then I would go days and days without washing my hair and my hair would turn so dry. It would look dry, it would feel dry. And the only way that I could make it look good is if I styled it every single day. My hair literally could not look nice unless it had heat applied to it constantly. So I was just in this endless cycle of not wanting to use heat on my hair because I know it's damaging. But then if I don't use the heat, my hair looks like hay. Like it was just not good. You know how it is for girls. Like your hair is your safety net. Like if you don't feel good about your hair, like that just ruins, your entire outfit. It ruins your confidence. It just ruins how you feel about yourself for the day if your hair looks really bad. And also, I just want to mention, I know that I have like these like little like flyaways. It's not breakage, it is regrowth. It is new growth, but we will get to that later. So don't judge my little antennas that are like sticking out all over the place. At the end of 2019, beginning of 2020, I had started making, a couple of little small changes, and those little changes snowballed into a complete overhaul of my hair routine. I wasn't planning on making this video. The reason why I felt inspired to do this video is because, so I'm on like day like 4 or 5 of like not washing my hair. And so I was putting dry shampoo on and like I could not like get rid of like the shine that was on top of my head. I'm like, what is this? Like, am I like immune to this? My hair is starting to become immune to the dry shampoo. And I realized that the shine that I had wasn't like greasy hair shine, it was like healthy hair shine. It was just like the natural shine that your hair is supposed to have that I forgot that my hair has because I hadn't seen it in so long. And when I saw that, I'm like, oh dang, like my hair is actually like shiny. Like I don't have any kind of like shine spray or anything, but like it has shine again. That kind of inspired me to like want to share with you all the changes that I did because I did not think it was possible to like get my hair back to where it is right now. All right, so I'm going to start from the very beginning. I started taking biotin. So this is the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails. 3 of these a day. I have been taking these for, I would say, probably since like the beginning of the year. So a good like 10 months. The next change was to stop wearing my hair in high ponytails because I just realized it was causing so much breakage. And then speaking of ponytails, the next thing I did was switch to these like little like satin scrunchies. This one actually looks kind of dirty. I just throw them in the wash like whenever they start looking a little bit not so cute anymore. So the next thing I did was invest in a hair mask. And so the one that I bought was this Olaplex number 3. And I'm going to show a lot of Olaplex in this video. Like, this is not sponsored in any way by Olaplex. Believe me, I wish that it was. Olaplex, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I will be your hype woman. But you know, I started using Olaplex once a week. I would put it in my hair at night and sleep in it and then rinse it out in the morning. Or I would alternate with coconut oil just to kind of, you know, stretch the product out a little bit longer. I think in the beginning I was probably using it like, I was doing these hair masks about twice a week, and now I'm at the point where I can use it like once a week or every other week. So the hair mask really helped in like the feeling of my hair, so it didn't feel like straw anymore. I feel like it helped my split ends too, but you know, it just like I had so many split ends that I couldn't really tell if it was helping that or not. So speaking of split ends, and it just had gotten to the point where I would like look at my ends and like all I could see was split ends. And then I looked at like the shaft of the hair and the whole thing, like all these split ends were sticking out of it. And oh girl, you know, this is you. I feel you. I've been there. By this point, you know, lockdown had started. We're like beginning of March and all the salons were closed. I really wanted to get a haircut, but I couldn't. So I, you know, tried some drastic measures. I ordered one of those like split end trimmers from Amazon. It was like $200 and it did not work for me. So I ended up having to like cut my hair at home. And I think I cut like 4 inches off, like right kind of at the beginning of quarantine. And then even though quarantine has ended, or well, it hasn't ended, but like we're not like, you know, salons and stuff are open now. But, like I still haven't been to a salon. I've just, you know, still been cutting my hair at home. I even bought a pair of like professional, I don't know if they're professional, but like actual like hair cutting scissors. And what I'll do is I'll like twist up my hair, and you know, apart from like, you know, obviously I'll cut the length and stuff too, like untwisted, like fully straight. But I'll twist up my hair, and any like parts that stick out, if there's any like little strands, if I see a split end on them, then I'll just, you know, cut those right off. I have been fortunate enough that I have been able to work from home since the beginning of lockdown. And so because of that, I was really able to cut back on heat. It was every single night I'll put my hair in a braid, so that way when I wake up, you know, I just have these like nice, well, this is obviously curled, but like I'll have these like nice like little waves, and that has really helped me to not use heat. Next is dry shampoo. This is something that took me a really long time to figure out. Dry shampoo was actually contributing to my hair being dry. Like, duh, right? But, you know, you would normally think that, like, okay, dry shampoo helps soak up all the oils of your hair. Like, I've got very thin, very fine hair. My hair gets greasy, like, the night. Like, if I shower in the morning, my hair is greasy by that evening. Like, all right, so what I didn't realize at the time is that everything that you put up here, just because you put up here, like dry shampoo, doesn't necessarily mean that it will stay up there. You know, all of these things travel down the shaft of your hair to the end of your hair when you brush it. And I, at the time, was using a ton of aerosol dry shampoo. I've mainly used Batiste. Like, this has been my ride or die for like literally like the last 10 years. And I was going through maybe 2 bottles a month. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. I realized that dry shampoo was part of what was causing this problem for me. And so, I can't live without dry shampoo. So I ended up switching to non-aerosol dry shampoo. And this is the one that I use. It's by Klorane. It works so much better than the aerosol dry shampoo, and it helps my hair stay, it absorbs the grease for longer, so I can go like maybe every other day of needing dry shampoo versus like putting it in every single day. Next. Okay, so after that, I also made the switch to Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. Now, these are out. These are all empty. This stuff has been amazing. I started using these every single time that I showered. I would always double rinse my hair. So the first time I would wash it would just be with like a regular shampoo. And the second time I would wash it would be with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I started double washing because I realized that it helped to extend the time in between washes. Like, it just really like cleaned my scalp so much better. Okay, another thing that I started doing is using black castor oil. So this is just from Amazon. And this is the brand that I've been using. What I would do is I would actually pour it, apply it to the ends of my hair before I showered. It just helps prevent your hair from getting like too overly dry at the ends, you know, from any like shampoo chemicals that you're applying on it. But you know, it's something that I feel like has made a difference in cutting down in the number of split ends, because guess what? You don't just get split ends from heat. Like, you get split ends from a lot of things. So next is leave-in like conditioner and sprays and oils. I like to use jojoba oil on the ends of my hair. This is one that I got from Amazon, and I use this bottle up. I actually refill it with jojoba oil from Trader Joe's, if you know that one. It comes in like a little plastic bottle. It's not an amber bottle like this. I just really like that one because it's local, it's easy to get. I can just pick it up quickly. And I just like refill this with that. If I have like some flyaways, because right now I'm getting to the point where I am starting to experience new growth, so I do have like flyaways as my hair is like starting to grow. I use Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother, and this has just been really nice and, you know, kind of helping to like tame some of those. I don't apply them up here, it's just more towards like the bottom part of the hair. But yeah, so that is everything that I have done for my hair. Overall, like I am so happy with how it looks right now. Like, yes, I know it's styled, but like, believe me, the difference is insane. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to your girl for more content. Thank you. Bye.